Welcome back, guys. Now we're about to get into part two, where I'm gonna start taking the motor mounts off right here. Or take this cowl off right here, take wipers off. Stay tuned.
Obviously springs, top hat, aluminum, etc., etc. But to find, here's a look at the damage I caused. See how this one is bent? It still works perfectly fine. I did happen to knock off that little cover, which tells you, it's kind of neat, it shows you now, you can spin it, back up, soft or hard, a little easier to adjust them now, you know, always check the way to spin them. These new ones have a pillow ball mount, the rubber mount that the old ones have is no longer present on the front. The rear coilover is still
So far, I took the heater core lines off and the motor mount over here. Also take the top cowl off right up there. Stay tuned. So those are the two starter bolts that I took out. And now taking out that bolt right there to connect engine mount to the transmission. So I'm gonna have two more bolts right here on the top. When I'm actually taking out the motor, I'm gonna release those two bolts. So now I'm all tied up. So now the motor is ready to come out. I had pulled the axle out right here. So now it's ready to come out. I'm about to take it off the transmission. See. So I run into a little issue getting the engine up. So I end up took the front core support out. So I'm gonna bring it forward. So engine is out now. Had to take off the whole front clip to get it off. Run into a little space issue, but it's all out now. Take off the front core support, AC condenser. We're ready to put the new one in. So I transfer the alternator, AC compressor, and power steering pump from the old motor to the new motor. So the new motor is ready to go inside. So now I'm dropping the new motor in. So the motor is in, all bolted up, sides and the rear. Hello, man.
That's the last one?
Huh?
That's the last bolt?
Yeah. One more after this. So the motor is in, all bolted up, sides and the rear.